Hi everyone, welcome to BrownWhitePages. Today I want to teach you how to use hashtag on Facebook. So you go to your Facebook page. You can either use hashtag on your Facebook post or your Facebook page. But I'm, I decide I decided already that I want to teach you for that of the Facebook page. How do you do this? Go to your Facebook page. Before this page gets to 100% loading time, I want to teach you something about hashtag on Facebook. On Facebook, the maximum hashtag is three hashtags. Three hashtags. The maximum hashtag is three hashtags. The maximum hashtag is three hashtags. So the first hashtag is your brand name or your business name. The brand name here is Brown White Pages. The brand name or your business name. The second hashtag should be related to the content. That's the post. So my post is all about, let me just say, Thursday quote. And the first and the second and the third hashtag should be related to the post. So Thursday, this is what I got. This is what I need for my post. Copy this highlight, copy. So let's post. This is how to post on Facebook page. You click in here, what's on your mind, or you click on photo and video, photo or video. So if you click on it, the pop-up will appear for create post. Then you click here to upload the video or the photo. For now, I want to use the photo. So you click in here. Once you click in here, this will appear. You have to click the image or the video you want to post. This is the image I want to post. Now go for this. Select. And you come here, what's on your mind. You make sure your mouse, your cursor is like this. And you right click to paste the hashtag you copy from your notepad. You paste the hashtag you copy from your notepad. Paste that. Then you copy. Then you type your caption. I I love Thursday. Those dates. That is it. Then you what? Then you post. This is how you post on this is how you post on Facebook, and this is also how you use hashtag on Facebook. Remember, maximum of what three hashtag brand name first, um, brand name first, then the other two should be anything related to your post. The reason why you use hashtag on Facebook is that once people search for Thursday quote here, you'll be able to come across your post. The reason is for visibility, brand awareness. So thank you for watching Brown White Pages. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye.